Ladies and gentlemen, yes, sustainability and sustainability. This is the buzzword starting from the beginning of this event, which we are listening from Sandeep, Vishi, Geeta, and everyone, that yes, this is the buzzword. So this, how it started? This started in the year 2015 when the Paris Summit, when a world leader, everybody in this world has taken the place that they are going to become net carbon zero by 2070. Starting from that day to last week, we have closed the COP27. The entire world leader again reassembled and agreed to make how they will go ahead and approach for a net zero environment and give the Mother Earth net zero, and they will give a sustainable future for the future generation. So this is sustainability. So before I go ahead and talk details about this, I would like to run a video for all of you. So that
4 in 5 CEOs believe that investing in sustainability will improve business results in the next 5 years, but only 23% of them are implementing sustainability strategies in their organizations. Barriers like a lack of expertise or not knowing where to start can prevent business leaders from acting, despite believing sustainability will drive business. That's why IBM is committed to helping companies align their sustainability goals to business objectives while complying with increasing regulatory demands. With data-driven innovation through industry-leading consulting and technology capabilities, IBM helps businesses to operationalize sustainability goals, co-creating solutions with an ecosystem of partners to uncover new opportunities and find cost efficiencies without compromising profitability. IBM can help companies accelerate their journey across 5 business imperatives: sustainability strategy and roadmaps, ESG data, transparent and accountable reporting, and climate-related financial risk management, intelligent factories, offices, and assets, responsible computing and green IT strategy, sustainable supply chains and circularity. IBM has been committed to environmental sustainability across its own business operations for more than 5 decades, creating pathways to conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and minimize climate-related risks. We've committed to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2030, divert 90% of IBM's total non-hazardous waste from landfill and incineration by 2025, and reach the milestone of 100 client engagements or research projects with environmental benefits by 2025. Together, let's turn sustainability ambition into action.
yes, how we are going to achieve our sustainability ambition into action. Before that, I just want to take all of you to a history of our day-to-day life. Since we all are in the IT people, I just want to take a history and tell how the IT era has been evolved. When we are talking about 1980 to 90, the decade, I am dividing this into 5 decades in fact. So in 80 to 90, we used to use desktop, laptop, and we used to have an IT manager. Then we have evolved to the second decade, which we talk about basically ERP evolution, where the SAP of the world, Oracle of the world, Tele of the world has come, and people got ERP in their systems. Then what next they do? They try to connect to the people. They try to connect through mobile, cloud, security, social, and they connected in the era of 2000 to 2010. So the end part they have reached. Then people try to go ahead to the insight of the customers, insight of the business. Then they've used advanced analytics like AI, ML. So that is the era where we are talking about 2010 to 20. But this era, this decade of 2020 to 2030 is the decade of sustainability. This is the buzzword, and this is the buzzword on the boardroom. But IBM is there to make this buzzword or boardroom discussion to action. How it will do, that we are going to talk, because all the tool and technology what we are having, that is completely aligned to achieve your sustainability objective. Because if somebody is going to achieve sustainability objective, then there are 4 approaches which we are defining. That is, we have to connect with the IT and OT devices, then collect information from there, do analytics with our advanced analytics engine, and report that. So this is our 4 steps of creating that whatever your ambition you are having into action. So in this process, so all our tools and technology are embedded with 3 things, which is advanced analytics and AI, IoT platform. These are the 3 things we are completely aligned in our platform. So in this journey, who are the major contributor of CO2? The industry like real estate, the industry like manufacturing, industry like supply chain, agriculture, IT, these are all major contributor of the CO2. So our solution are aligned to stepwise, or in the 4 steps we are going and creating a ESG reporting for that. So this is echoed, I think, by our CEO. We are doing a CEO study for last 20 years, and the CEO study of May 22, 2022 is also echo the same thing. Yes, sustainability is the main agenda of the business. Why? Because if any CEO are always smart, that's why they are CEO. If they are thinking about sustainability is the way to go, the reason behind is that they are getting sustainability approach as well as the business benefit out of that. So that is why they are doing that. It is sustainability is not basically you are going and creating a ESG reporting. So how you are taking an insight of that ESG data reporting and making them into action. That is how this is there. And when we are talking, when the entire world is talking about net carbon zero, the net carbon zero any enterprise will achieve by 5 steps. So if you are having some step right now where you are existing footprint of CO2 and you have a growth aspiration for next some time, then in that growth aspiration you have to reduce how you will become net carbon zero. Let's say operational efficiency. Everybody wants to have an operational efficiency, even though it is a sustainability approach, but operational efficiency will give you better solutions related to your profitability, your manpower, and your entire business perspective. So operational efficiency. Then we are talking about process transformation and equipment upgrade on the asset perspective. Then how renewable is reducing some point of the footprint. Then scope 3. Scope 3 is basically upstream and downstream. When we are talking about upstream, this is for your employee, your vendors who are emitting carbon. And if you are a manufacturer or industry, when we are talking about downstream, how you are creating your product so that there will be minimized or optimized carbon contribution to the environment. And after that, if anything is left, you are not able to do the net zero, then you have to offset by purchasing some positive carbon from the industry. So that's how the journey of sustainability happens. And how we are making with our tool and technology is this. For operational efficiency, for any kind of manufacturing industry, retail industry, real estate industry, we are having Maximo application suite, which is the Industry 4.0 platform, and having zero defect manufacturing solution with the smart factory that will give more operational efficiency. Then when we are talking about equipment upgrade and transformation, at that time we are also using our Maximo 𝗬𝗏, and to report these things we are having 𝗬𝗏𝗃 as a solution. But for the renewable we are talking about when you are doing this renewable energy, you have to go ahead with the renewable energy certificate, and those energy you have to use which will reduce or give less footprint, carbon footprint, and use green energy. So that will help you to reduce again further. So we are having a solution called Environmental Intelligence Suite. We have acquired a company called 𝗀𝗏𝗏, so that became now EIS, and that will give entire visibility of that. Post that scope 3, we are having completely 𝗬𝗏𝗃 as a solution, which will give the entire reporting, and on that insight you take action for your ambition to become a sustainable organization. So on this, I just want to wrap off my product portfolio of sustainability, how we are aligned to achieve your sustainability ambition. So when we are talking about Maximo, we are having customers like Coca-Cola, Indigrade, NCRTC. In any metro, we are having solutions for any kind of asset management, and we are basically going and talking to them on how they are optimizing their asset and this thing. Then secondly, when we are talking about real estate, which are the major contributor, we are having JLL or Cell. They are using our solution and doing that. Similarly, on the engineering life cycle front, we are having customer like Maruti, KPIT, Bell as a major customers. And supply chain, which is one of the important pillar for achieving the sustainability portfolio, we are having large customers on this, where our solution are embedded with blockchain. When we are talking about this is coming Titan, DMart, FedEx, and all. So for and environmental intelligence also, like EIS, as I told you, this product is completely giving a more accurate data than your IMD data. So people like ITC, Asian Paints, they use our data to do correct prediction about the weather. So we are having many references, and you became our reference. What we are having as a IBM option is that we are, when you are thinking about achieving the sustainability ambition, then we are offering a no commitment investment from our side, that we can come with you. Our expert will sit across, define your ambition to become sustainable organization, and on basis of that, we will go ahead and create a solution scope, and we can go ahead and do the MVP, minimum viable product, for you. This is a takeaway I just want to offer all of you. If you are interested to become a sustainable organization, we are going and co-creating along with you to achieve your sustainable ambition. So on that, I just want to end my thing and hand it over to the next speaker. And thanks for your patience hearing. I'm between the dinner and cocktail, but thank you very much for hearing, and looking forward to meet you and understand how you are going to achieve your sustainability approach, and we are happy to be partner with you. Thank you.